Easy now, watch your step. He's almost completely still. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Got him. Steady now, watch the head.
Delivery for the semiconductor laboratory. We have you scheduled. Please pull forward.
There we go. That fits you perfectly. Look at you in the mirror. Okay, move the chimp just a little to the left. The bow tie needs adjusting. Yes, right there. Hold that position.
Okay, right there. Hand on the hip. Yes. Now give me the smile. Beautiful. Hold that.
Pull it tight on your side. We need to secure the top edge now.
All right, holding it steady. Tell the crane to stop lowering.
They used holographic projection for the suit texture.
That's unbelievable. It looks so real.
Elegance is timeless. Adjust your expectations with the new Meridian collection. It's more than an accessory, it's a statement.
Swing into savings and go absolutely bananas. Get the freshest fruit delivered right to your door.
When you need refreshment that's wild yet refined, reach for the new Chimp IPA. It's bananas.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the right. Got it. Keep it steady. Almost there.
Come on, push through it. You got this, all the way up. Now slowly lower it down.
The scallops, an excellent choice, sir. Would you care for the wine pairing with that?
The velvet is absolutely divine this season. Would you like to try it on? Ooh, ooh.
As you can see, the infotainment system is fully integrated, and this engine, the V12, provides unparalleled performance on the open road. All right, up you get. Careful now. And let's get these on your ears.
The colors are absolutely mesmerizing, aren't they?
Yes, the texture really draws you in. I wonder what the artist was trying to convey.
He knows it's him.
This is absolutely incredible. Look at his face. I can't believe he's wearing an ascot.
Yeah, baby, tonight's the night. We're gonna make everything feel so right.
You're tuned in to the wildest mix on the airwaves right now.
Over here, look right here.
Right to the camera, you look stunning.
Places, everyone. Get ready on the wires. And roll camera.
Roll the dolly faster. Keep the ape in frame. Watch the blast zone.
3, 2, 1, and hold. Reset to markers.
Okay, hold it. Oh man, cut!
Exquisite craftsmanship for the discerning few. Own time.
Precision engineering meets unparalleled luxury, the hallmark of true distinction.
Experience the scent of true elegance, captured in this moment of mist and desire.
Hold it just like that. Perfect. Now tap the screen once more.
Welcome, esteemed guests, to the epicenter of our operations. The team is thrilled to have you here today.
These chimps are actually kind of cute.
I know, right? Almost done with this batch.
Lower it slightly to the left. Okay, hold it there. I'm securing the bottom bolt now.
Pull it tight on the corner.
Okay, I've got it secured. Check the bottom clips.
They are really cranking these out.
Yeah.
We need another pallet over here.
Hold it steady on the left. Got it. Need the squeegee over here.
Look over here. Yes, right here.
Anna, one moment, please.
To the left, darling.
We need you right here.
Give us a smile, come on. Look this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome this year's recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award.